your local car care team serving the area with pride. Auto Services Center is your local full-service auto maintenance and car care shop offering complete auto repair and service, brake repair, muffler and exhaust, and all other critical auto maintenance needs for your car. Before you hit the road, make sure your preparation includes getting your car in shape for trip. We do it all from brakes and regular maintenance to oil changes and batteries. If you are looking for a local total car maintenance service and repair professional, you can depend on us. We handle all of your local car care and repair needs. Routine service, maintenance, batteries, brakes, filters, spark plugs, shocks, struts, and more. We can provide a complete inspection of your automobile's major components such as brakes, suspension, etc. Many components cannot be inspected visually, so you can rely on our expert local mechanics to perform the services necessary to give you a reliable report every time. A proper and regular car maintenance service will not only protect your car but also extend its life and keeps you safer on the road. The best part is that we make it easy for you to carry out a thorough local car maintenance service schedule. It does not take much time or effort and will help you save money on costly repairs and other service by properly maintaining your automobile. Local Auto Repair. Our commitment is to provide the best car care and automotive repair service in the local area through a continuous dedication to quality and customer service for our loyal customers.